Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about formal letter. Or in last video, I have taught you about letter of complaints. And in that, dear students, I have told you that how you have to write complaint letters, or in that different things I have discussed. And today, dear students, I am going to teach you one more formal letter, or that is inquiry letter. In this letter of inquiry or inquiry letter, you have to inquire about different programs, about different rates and functions of different hotels, or on the basis of that, dear students, you will proceed. So one example, this inquiry letter I want to discuss, I want to teach you with the help of one example. Suppose you are Mr. Abhay, a resident of 135 Preet Bihar, New Delhi, and you have to organize a wedding reception of your sister on 5th February 2021. Dear students, so as a Aman, you have to organize the wedding reception of your sister, or the name of hotel is City Park Hotel, Pritampura, New Delhi. So then you have to write a letter firstly to the manager of City Park Hotel, Pritampura, and you have to inquire. I am reading the question. Write a letter to manager of City Park Hotel, Pritampura, Delhi, to find out the rates for conducting the wedding reception of your sister in the hotel, or especially inquiring especially about the catering cost per head, service and decoration charges, and advance to be paid. You are Mr. Aman of Pritam Bihar, New Delhi. So this inquiry letter you have to write, but how will you write? The question is, dear students, first of all you will write the sender's address, the person who is inquiring about the rates of the hotel, and his address is Mr. Aman's Abhay's address is 135 Preet Bihar, New Delhi. Or date means today's date 18th January 2021. Or after that, the receiver's address, or receiver's address means you have to write the manager City Park Hotel, Pritampura, New Delhi. Or then you have to write the subject, for what reason you are writing that letter. So inquiring about charges of hotel for the wedding reception. Understood? And then salutations, sir. Or then you have to give your information in detail, or you have to start the letter I am resident of Preet Bihar, New Delhi, or I would like to organize my sister's wedding reception in your hotel City Park, Preet Bihar, on 5th February 2021. Means the particular program will be in next month, but you want to inquire the rates, inquire about the catering charges per head, inquire about the decoration charges, you want to inquire about many other things. So you have to write in detail. And before finalizing my booking, I would like to inquire about overall charges to be paid for 500 persons. The total arrangements for the total arrangement is for 500, or you want to ask about that. And please send me the detail of total cost including catering charge and other charges and decoration charge, and especially the catering charge you want to know. I want to know especially the catering charges per head to be paid, and I shall be glad to hear from your end at the earliest. It will be it will enable me to finalize the menu. I would be coming to you personally to discuss and complete the formalities. Please let me know the process of advance payment, if any. To all the things you will write in detail, or hoping for your earliest reply. Or finally, yours sincerely, Abhay Kumar. So this is the way, dear students, of writing a letter to inquiry letter. Either it is about any party that you are going to organize in hotel, or it is about any course, any program which you want to know from any institution. So that you have to write in detail. Or in the case of this question, I have told you that these things should be written very clearly. First, sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject inquiry, inquiring about the charges of wedding reception. Understood? And then sir, and then detailed information. If you are writing, dear students, your inquiry letter in such way, so I hope you will get very good marks. I think, dear students, you have understood. So thank you.